Class 117 IGBT or insulated gate bipolar transistor. It is like 50% MOSFET and 50% BJT. It takes advantages or good characteristics of both MOSFET and IGBT. It is a PN-PN structure. You can see P-N, P-N, like an SCR, but the regenerative process is restricted. Hence, there is no latching. Its gate characteristics is like MOSFET. We have silicon dioxide layer here. So, this is an N-channel MOSFET. So, on P-type body, we have N source layers. On the P-type body, we have N source layers. Source is connected to the emitter. This is the metal. Then on the P body we have metal oxide layers on which gate is connected. Channel is formed here. So when channel is formed here, conduction begins from this N to this N. And the last one is collector. So emitter, collector and gate. That is the naming. For BJT we have emitter, collector, base. For MOSFET we have drain, source and gate. Here we will say emitter, collector, gate. So below the body we have drift region to increase the blocking voltage. Some have buffer layer, that is N plus, some do not have buffer layer. And then this is called as the injecting layer. This is P plus. If there is buffer layer, they are called as asymmetrical IGBTs. Its reverse breakdown voltage will be lesser than forward breakdown voltage. See here, channel is induced when gate is given. Emitter or source. Emitter is N. Then we have gate on the P-type body. Then we have drift layer. And buffer layer we may have or not. Then we have drain. N, P, N, P. N, P, N, P. This is the detailed figure. See, there is load and we have the power supply here. Now, for P we have positive and for N we have negative. But this junction is reverse biased. This is forward biased, but from here to here it is reverse biased. So, when we give gate a positive voltage, what happens is a channel will be formed. Electrons will be attracted towards the gate. A channel is formed, hence it conducts. You can draw this figure, but actually it will be vertical structure. This is easy to understand, but actually it will be like this. symbol of IGBT similar to BJT, but the gate is not touching the emitter base junction because there is MOS capacitor. So you have gap here. This is N type, this is P type. Comparison of BJT, MOSFET and IGBT. It is important. Try to remember at least few points. So typical values are given here.